Hello everyone. So in our previous video, we are done with the introduction of JavaScript. So here we will talk about JavaScript variables and identifiers and also the comment and also one simple program based on this variable concept actually. So variables are the containers for storing the data. Okay. JavaScript variables can be declared in a four ways. Okay. First of all, automatically means we are not writing anything. We will write directly a equal to 5, b equal to 6 or something like that. Then using var, that is the second option, using let and using constant const. So there is one point over here. Note, it is considered a good programming practice to always declare variables before you use. So the where keyword, okay, was used in all the JavaScript code from 1995 to 2015. Okay, that is VAR. Then second, let and constant keywords were added to the JavaScript in 2015. That is let and constant. Okay, and the where var keyword should only be used in the code written for the older browsers. Okay, so the question is when to use var, when to use let, and when to use constant. First of all, always declare the variables. That is the first point. So always use constant if the value should not be what changed. Always use constant if the type should not be changed in case of arrays and object. So only use let if you are not using constant. Only use where if you must support old browsers. So that is all about variables and identifier. So all the JavaScript variables must be identified with unique names. Okay, so these unique names are called as identifiers. So identifiers can be a short names like X and Y or more descriptive like age, sum, total, etc. So the general rules for constructing names for variables, that is unique identifiers, are names can contain letters, digits, underscore and dollar sign. That is the first point. Name must begin with a letter. Name can also begin with your dollar sign and underscore sign. Okay, and names are case sensitive. That means the small y or lowercase y and uppercase y are two different variables. And last point, the reserved words like JavaScript keywords, okay, cannot be used as a names. So now we will check our simple program. Okay, so as we discussed just now only, that we can have four types of variables automatically using let, using where and using constant. Automatically means before X you are not writing anything, not even let, not even where, nothing. Okay, so let's check the output of this control S. Yeah, one more thing before we go ahead with the output, just a simple program in which we have one paragraph with the ID equal to demo. Okay, and we are writing one script. Okay, X equal to 5, Y equal to 6, Z equal to X plus Y, and document dot get element by ID. So wherever your paragraph ID equal to demo, that means over here at this place, it will display the value of Z is, and the calculation of this will be what, 11. Okay, so let's check the output of this first. Yeah, we are getting the value of Z is what, 11. Now the same program, okay, and here we will write let, then again let, and then again let. Okay, and then control S, and let's check the output. Still we are getting the output, okay, using let. Okay, now we will write where var, control S. Still we are getting the output. See, the value of Z is 11, and then last one, which is the constant, const, yeah, control S. Okay, see, we are getting the output in all the cases. Okay, so that is all about the meaning of the different types of variables. Okay, and one more thing, like in JavaScript, if you want to give comments, okay, if it is single line, then you can use this two times forward slash, and if it is multiple lines, then slash and asterisk, and whatever you are writing, whatever, okay, and if you want to end multiple line comments, then asterisk and slash. So this is for multiple line, and double slash or two times forward slash is for single line comment. So that is all about just the basic or beginning level of JavaScript. Thank you everyone.